Hi friends, it's Miss Hazel.
And Miss Kate.
I'm so happy to be here. Spring, it's really warm out, and Mother's Day is coming right around the corner. And guess what? I'm a mom! Miss Kate, are you a mom too?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, so everybody either has a mom or they know a mom. So I'm going to teach you how to make sugar scrub for a little gift for your mom. So here it is all completed. I have this little jar. If you can see it, it's like this really pretty color orange because I flavored mine with rosemary and orange. Let's get started. I'll leave that here to inspire you. Look at that. The spoon is waving at you, Miss Kate.
Hello.
Hello. All right, so we've got some sugar, just your garden variety, regular sugar. I'm gonna take half a cup of that. When I made it in my jar, a half a cup, I did a big half a cup and it was too much. So I'm gonna do a little half a cup. Okay.
And what do you do with the sugar scrub?
Oh my gosh, Kate, it's so funny that you asked. You take a little bit in your hands and you scrub, 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 and it smells really nice and it exfoliates and then it washes away and you're left with this really soft skin.
And what does exfoliate mean?
Oh, you tell me.
Are you just scrubbing off the
Yes, you scrub off
skin?
any dirt, or if you've been in the garden, it'll help get off like the, yes.
And your old skin. Like...
Too many questions, Miss Kate. I have to get back to work. Okay.
Okay, go back.
So my sugar, and then I'm going to use olive oil, the biggest jar of olive oil I could find, I guess. Okay, and so half a cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons. Get my jazzy tablespoon. It's a heart. And
I
2.
used to have some of those.
Yeah, right? When my daughter was little, this was her set. Don't tell her I've used it. She's
like, she's going to see this.
Okay, olive oil. Okay, then you can use any kind of essential oil. We have lemon.
So it's really lemon,
very lemony.
And
yeah, this is, yeah, I've got a combo going. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit in, like, I don't know, that was a lot. Like a couple, 2, 3 drops of essential oil. We've made it with lavender. Now I want it to look jazzy in its jar. So I have some rosemary from my garden. And a few years ago, Miss Kate got me these crazy scissors. Look at them. They're so fun. So I'm going to cut some rosemary in. Little bits of green. Okay, so chopping up some herbs. And then I'm going to put a little orange zest. Zest is the skin of your fruit. So you could make lemon. Yeah, be careful that it's sharp though. So make sure you keep your fingers away from the actual fruit. Ooh, I can smell the orange.
I can smell it over here.
So good. Okay, and then bang a little bit. Okay. See my brew is so good. All right, got my spoon from Yogurtland. Because I like to save everything. I know, they're so good. And I'm going to stir it up. Smells so good. And you could use different kinds of oil. You could use vegetable oil. You could use coconut oil. Okay, then I have this funny little jar. You could recycle a jar from your house, but I had this at my house. So my friend Liz gave me this jar. Okay, then check it out. Spooning it into my jar. Yeah, you get the idea. You get the idea. I'm going to spoon it in my jar. I'm going to put the lid on. Then I found a little ribbon that I had, and I made a little bow. If you wanted to be jazzy, you could paint your jar. You could write on top, I love you, Mom. You could do something like that. Or Grandma. Or your auntie. Anybody. Yes. It's anybody's sugar scrub. But this time, we're making it for mommies. So, happy Mother's Day to everyone, all you other moms out there, and thanks for joining us.
See you next time.
Bye, friends.